Just gone live on our website that you can now get involved in is this beautiful 2023 Audi RS3 2.5 TFSI finished in a Merlin purple. It's got a top speed of 174 miles per hour and all the extras that you can need.
I had to hop in the kitchen, I'm really on fire, you know, ignited, yeah. I know some people don't like it, I'm moving with flavor, they probably a bite it, yeah. Trendsetter, being better, I can't take the credit, yeah, wait. Been on fire, boy, that's flambe. Only time you see my head down is when I'm praying. When my back is turned on, only time they wanna see it. Water on me, floor is cold as ice, I'm finna trade, yeah. Serve it to the people, they need hours, no delay. The odds against me, back against the wall, my strength beat, yeah. I can't let it break. Everything I've been through, it made me better.
Make sure you're in it to win it at Nitrous competitions.
Been through everything.